Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the Rybozen USB switch selector. You can get this product on Amazon for about $24. Check out the link in the description. The USB switch selector is small and lightweight and comes with two USB cables and a user manual. The USB cables are not too short, so I won't have any issues connecting the USB switch selector. The device has two USB inputs and four USB outputs, a switch key, an indicator light, and a micro USB power supply interface, which you only need when using a high power USB device like a digital video camera or an SSD. I use the USB switch selector to share a webcam and a wireless mouse between my laptop and my PC. With just a push of a button, I can easily switch between the laptop and the PC. Unfortunately, I need to connect an external power adapter, or my webcam keeps disconnecting all the time. I tested the USB switch selector for a few days and I think it's a nice product. It's very easy to use and I can also use it as a regular USB hub if it's only connected to one of my computers. So if you are looking for a USB hub which you can use to share USB devices between two computers, I would recommend the Rybozen USB switch selector. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.